Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on these Ego replacement cutting blades. So I've had this Ego zero turn mower for about 3 years now, and it's time to change them. This is the 42-inch dual blade mower. There's the model number again. And down here it says compatible with 42-inch. So what I really like is inside the box, you get two blades that are already sharp, but you also get the instructions on how to change the blades, which is really nice. But let's do the unboxing. So these blades are exactly almost 21 inches, just a little bit, 21 7/8. You get two of them. Again, they're very sharp, so be careful. You don't have to sharpen them. Right there's the cutting surface. Now on one side, it's going to say this side facing the grass. That's going to go down towards the grass, and then this goes up the cutting surface. And both blades are identical. And then here are the procedures. I like that this comes in the box with the blades. It tells you make sure you remove power. You're going to disconnect those clevis pin, those cotter pins. You know, move the handle all the way to the low. Disconnect those cotter pins. Move it forward. Undo the suspension linkage. Then you're going to drag it out the side. Then you're going to flip it over. You're going to put something in these holes to lock it down. Then it takes a 9/16 wrench or socket. Then you're going to have to check the grease underneath that flange. It says if there's enough grease there, you don't have to do anything, but every 50 hours you're supposed to check that. You need to put some more grease there, put it back, line up the alignment holes to put your stabilizers in, and tighten it down. This looks like it's going to be a really simple procedure. This is just the unboxing video, so I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Now I will be doing the how to replace. So I will be doing a how to replace step-by-step instructions for this. This has the wheel. I'm sure it's the same for the one with the levers, but I've had this for 3 years, absolutely love it. I will put a link to these in the show description notes. If you purchase them using the link, the product doesn't cost you anymore, but I get a small commission from the sale. It is a way of helping support my channel. That way I can continue to do these how-to and honest reviews. And again, I bought this with my own money. I bought that thing was almost $6,000. I absolutely love it. We've had it for 3 years, zero problems. Other than I just need to replace the blades right now. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money and I wasn't paid for this video. So if you could, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.